The daily cost of hiring a plumber Y to work X hours on a repair project can be modeled using a linear function. The plumber charges a fixed cost of $80 plus an additional cost of $45 per hour. The plumber works a maximum of 80 hours per day. For 1 day of work, what is the domain of this function for this situation? So basically on these, you just have to match what we're talking about. So for example, domain here. If you look at this little tip, it's Dr. XY. The D and the X go together. The domain is the X value. So if you just remember that Dr. XY, if you go over here, anything that you see on a Y, it's gone. So on this one, B is not the answer because of the Y. Now you're left with these three answer choices. Now, the next thing to see, X. What are we talking about the X? Usually it's going to tell you on the problem. It says the cost of Y. So Y is the cost and X is the number of hours he worked. Now, if you look at the problem itself, it says he works a maximum of 8 hours. So we have an 8 here. We have an 8 here. And we have a 10. Did he work 10 hours? No, he worked 8. So this one, it is out just because of that. Now it's between A and C. What is the difference? It says any number of hours between 0 and 8 or 0, 1, 2, 3. And we have to understand what they're talking about here. Let's start off with C. Can he work 0 hours? Yes, of course. He doesn't show up. He doesn't get paid. Can he work 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, all the way to 8 hours? Yes, he can. Here, it's the same thing. Can he work 8 hours? Yes. Can he work 8 hours? Yes. Any number in between those two. Think of a number that is between 0 and 8. Okay, 2.5. And here's where the question comes in that you need to understand it. Can a plumber, original in a real life situation, can he work 2.5 hours and get paid? Yes. He will not get the full amount for the 3 hours, but he will get whatever he worked at 2.5 hours worth of it. So the answer for this one is this one, just because you answered yes. This one is not saying, you know what? No, he can only work 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, and 8 hours. There is no in between. So if he works 3.5 hours, you're not going to pay him for 4 hours of work. You're going to pay him for 3.5, but there's no option here for 3.5. It's just either for 3 or for 4. That's why on this one is not the answer, because yes, a plumber can work between 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours. So any number between 0 and 8, he'll get paid for the hours that he worked. That's what the answer for that one, it is A.